Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Jojo Kimberly. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how to edit from Movie Maker. Now I know Movie Maker, last time I checked, it wasn't available anymore to download, but my computer came with Movie Maker. So now I have I use Movie Maker and I use Wondershare Filmora, which is downloading here. So if Filmora doesn't work, I go ahead and use the Movie Maker. So this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to be using this right now, but I'm going to show you the Movie Maker. So Movie Maker simply it's in Spanish. So because it's in Spanish, it downloads in Spanish. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you in English. So first, you need to add, your video. So you're gonna go ahead and click here. So my videos, I'm gonna click on videos. Okay, so we have a video here. Okay, so I'm just gonna click one that it's not edit. So let's do like this one. Okay, so we're gonna do this one, and we're gonna do open. Okay, so now this down here is that it's preparing to download. So you kind of have to wait until this goes green over here. So let's wait. Okay, so now that it's downloaded and everything looks nice, it's downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and push play. Okay, so I said hey guys and stuff like that. So now it doesn't have volume, but you can go ahead and put like an intro. Like I'm gonna go ahead and put my intro, like the intro that I use actually. So I just gotta find my intro. Intro. Now if you don't have an intro, I have a video on that. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out. So let's just do new intro. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna click open, and now it's down here, but we're gonna go ahead and move it. So we're gonna click and you're gonna drag it all the way to the front like that. So and now we're gonna double click on the video, and we're going to put it up all the way high so we can click here, ta-da, like that. And now we're gonna push play. Okay, so there you go, the intro's playing and stuff like that. And now here's the video. So I'm saying hi, welcome back, stuff like that. Okay, now if you want to cut this part, like let's say cut that part, so you're going to pause it. You're going to click on the video and you're going to click here, divide, like that. And then you're going to press play again. And in the part that you want to cut, for example, if you want to cut this, you're going to go ahead and press divide again, and you're going to right click on the video, and you're just going to cut it or delete it like that. So now we're going to go back, and bam, there you go. You see that? You see the little switch that I just made? So yeah, that's a little switch. Now that's how you cut. You do the little cut, you like that, and you keep going and stuff like that. Now to add another video, you're going to go here to principles, and you're going to click more videos. So the next video will be this one. So there you go. And now we have to wait until it downloads. That's just what this thing does. Alrighty then. Okay, so the next scene here, okay, so you add another video. So you're going to go ahead and add another video, and you can fast forward it the part that you like so, like that. And once again, if you don't like how it looks or whatever, if you want to, like I did that, if you want to say like goodbye, okay, and then we're going to stop, and then we're going to divide, and we're going to right click, and we're going to take it off. And now like that, okay, like that, and it stops there. See? And now you're going to continue putting more videos in there until you're complete finish with your video. We're going to add the last video that I have here. Alrighty, so the next scene is here. So okay, here it is. Here's the next scene. The next scene's here, you know, an elevator, taking whatever. So now if you want to like add like description, like if you're missing, like if you want to pronounce like or show your Facebook, whatever. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here in description. Okay, so we have this little text. So now what you're going to do is, I'm going to move that there. Just for example, follow me on Facebook. And then you put your name on Facebook there. Now the cool thing is that you can, you know, size it, make it big. Right here you can actually move it, do it like that. Or there's a lot of stuff. You can do it like this one, expand. So now over here, what you want, you can move it right here if you want to move it there. So let's check it out. So I'm going to do that. Bam, here it is. Follow me on Facebook. See, ta-da, and it goes away for a while. There you go. Okay, so I show you that, how to cut and how to add. Now, if you wanted to put music, I want to put music on your video, then it's super easy. Now, Movies Maker has, actually it doesn't have music you can do here. You can actually put music that you download, because I don't think it has, I don't think it has music. Filmora doesn't have its own music, so I pull up my own music here. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna open. And now the cool thing is that you can move this here like so, like that. And then you play the video. And then you double click on the music and you're going to lower it down so it doesn't like mess up with your voice like that. And play, and the music on the background is going to play like this. And so it's all the way down here. Now after you're finished with the video and you like how it looks and you know you think it's perfect and stuff like that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my outro that I always put on my videos. I mean, it's not necessary to have outro, but I love doing outro, so if you have one, you know, go ahead and put it. Okay, so that's done. Now the music is over here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna click, and I'm gonna take I'm gonna take the music out because it's gonna mess up with my my intro. So we're gonna take it out. Now if you messed up, there's a little arrow here, undo, so that's what that's a little messed up is. So now we're going to do this, and we're going to divide the music that we have here, and we're going to take off the music. So there you go. So now the music is there. Okay, I'm saying goodbye. Bam, here's my outro that I always put on my end of my videos. So that is how you edit from Movie Maker. You can also like record with your microphone if you're doing like a tutorial or something, you don't want to talk, and you can do that also. You can also video record with your webcam if your camera has, if your computer has webcam. There's a lot of stuff here that you can, you know, do. So this is just an example of, you know, of how to edit from Windows Movie Maker. And this right here, this is where if you shake your camera too much, or you have a tendency to shake your camera as like I do, then you click this and this just establish the video so it doesn't shake too much. So that's pretty cool. This has stuff too. So after you're done with your, you know, editing, you like how it looks, you want to go ahead and save your video. You know, save your video, click on the I'm gonna click it. So click your video. You're gonna name your video. Actually, I'm not gonna save it because I already downloaded this one. I already edited this one. So you're gonna go ahead and save your video. Name your video and save it, and press save. Now the cool thing is that you can upload it from here. You can upload it from SkyDrive, Facebook, YouTube, Venmo, Flickr, and I don't know what that is. Yeah, you can actually upload it from here, which is pretty cool. So you're gonna click YouTube, and they're recommended, that I like, it's this one, 1280 by 720. So you're going to go ahead and click. Of course, you're going to need a Microsoft account, which I don't have one. So I don't really upload it from here. I just save it and I just load it from the computer or through my phone. So that's how I do. That's basically it from editing from Windows Movie Maker. Now, if you don't have Windows Movie Maker, then you can use any editor that you have. I use this one, or I use the Wondershare Filmora. I'm currently using the Wondershare Filmora. I don't really use this one. I use it when Filmora does not work, or it's just being but I do use Windows Movie Maker. I do like Windows Movie Maker, but it's, I don't know, I'm so used to using the Wondershare. So yeah, so that's how you edit from Windows Movie Maker. So once again, you're not going to be able to find Windows Movie Maker because last time I checked, it's not available to download anymore. They took it off for some reason. I don't know why, but they took it off. But so yeah, so that pretty sucks. I mean, I'm lucky that my computer has it already. Download there, it has it. So yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Editing is super fun, but if you're a first timer editing, you know, you're gonna get frustrated because you don't know how to edit and you don't know how to put stuff like that. So I really hope this helps you guys whoever starting a YouTube channel and wants to learn how to edit. Take your time. Play with the editor, you know, because you're gonna get it. The first time I edited was really pain and I got a little frustrated, but you're gonna get used to it. You're gonna become a pro at it, and there's some stuff that I'm learning as well. But if you're a first timer, I really hope this video helps you. And if you're a first timer at YouTube and you want to download and you want to edit, you know, this is super. I hope this is a helpful video. But anyways, give it a big thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the new subscribers. I really appreciate it so much. Also push that notification bell as well, so you guys won't miss out on my videos. And I will see you in my other video. Bye guys.